Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So look, there are two important reasons why you need this Tusk Heim Joint bolt kit and protector for your motorcycle. If you have a bike that has a PDS shock, this is a really cool upgrade, and here's why. First reason, when you have this installed, it will allow you to actually grease your lower PDS Heim joint without having to remove anything from the motorcycle. You have this Zerk fitting on the end, so it's very easy to get grease inside there. That's going to add to the life of the bearing. So that's the first reason. The second is you notice that it has this anodized billet aluminum roller on here that sits on a bearing that has this O-ring on the outside. And the reason for this is to get rid of a common problem that riders have had with bikes that had that PDS shock, which is the mud flap wearing into the swing arm. So with this roller here, that will contact the mud flap, and as the mud flap moves up and down, the roller just goes with it. So that would prevent your mud flap from possibly wearing into your swing arm and causing that damage. So those are the two primary reasons. One, to easily grease that lower PDS Heim joint, and to protect your swing arm from wear. Now, as far as the install process goes, it is simple. You're just gonna take the stock bolt out, install this one. As you're watching this, we're showing you some how-to clips for that. It's a very simple process, but again, for motorcycles that have that shock, awesome upgrade. To grab yours, click the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you have. When you're on the product page, you'll be good to go. Questions or comments, those go down there. And as always, if you like this video, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you always stay up to date on videos like this. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.